This is Redmi Note 12 Pro, and in today's video I would like to show the top 5 pro tips and features for this device. So to begin, I would like to demonstrate how you can enable and configure the fingerprint recognition, which is a very convenient way of unlocking your screen, or a very comfortable screen lock, and also a very secure one as well. So basically, launch settings, enter the passwords and security category, tap at the fingerprint unlock section, choose what backup screen lock method you would like to go with it. So you can either opt for pattern, PIN, or password. So set up whatever regular password you would like to have alongside your biometrical one. So in my case, I went for pattern. So after the additional or backup screen lock method was successfully set up, you can start enrolling or adding your fingerprint, which is very simply done through continuously, or rather repetitively, laying your fingertip onto the scanner that is, as you can see, located at the side power button. So do that until the entire surface of your fingerprint will be scanned. And then, as you can see, in my case, that was done. So let's go ahead and test it out, see how well it works, how fast it is. As you can see, it does not react to my other fingerprints. So, it is also a secure one. In my opinion, the speed of it is decent. So, moving onwards, the following option that I wanted to share today, you can find at the display category. It is called the refresh rate, and it allows you to make your visual animations and interface smoother or silkier by setting the value to 120 Hz, or you can also sacrifice some of the visual appealness, if I can say so myself, in the name of saving battery or reducing the power consumption. You can also set it to be default, which is just an automatic mode for this feature, which will lead to the system automatically switching the refresh rate value in accordance with various factors, such as the current state of your battery, how much power you have left, or perhaps whether the app that you're using supports the high refresh rate to begin with. So, the next option for today you can find at the always on display and lock screen category. It is the always on display itself. You can enter its page, enable it, then set the design that you'd like. So you can even set the custom theme, upload some custom picture if you are into it, or you can set a custom text for AUD to display. But I'll simply, for the sake of simplicity, I'll just go with one of the pre-installed or default available designs. So here is the one that I went for. Even within the default or pre-installed theme, I can also configure such things as the text color or what will be displayed at the AOD. So now let's see how exactly it looks. A very useful thing to have, when you do not want to when you cannot be bothered by enabling the screen or activating the screen. If you, let's say, have to check what time it is or what day of the week it is, or if you would like to check whether you have received any new notifications perhaps, or something in the vicinity, and you just can you can simply tap on your screen, get this crucial and basic info quick without even activating the screen or waking it up rather. Alrighty, so moving onwards, the fourth feature or tip that I have is that you can change the home screen transition animations by launching the additional home screen settings by doing the shrink and swipe I've just shown. Then go over here and open the transition effects list. Then choose whatever animation you like most. So let's say I'll go with the page animation, and hit the check button, and here you have it. And fifth and final tip for today, guys, this one is somewhat the only tip that is performance related. basically just the feature that is called memory extension, which you can access through entering the additional settings category, then going for the memory extension itself. The way this option works or function works is that it allocates either 2, 3, or 5 gigabytes of storage, of internal storage, and uses them as kind of a virtual RAM. So basically, by default, you have like 6 or 8 gigabytes on this phone, but you will get additional 2, 3, or 5 gigabytes, helping those default built hardwired random access memory, and which leads you, which provides you with an opportunity to use more apps simultaneously, and more apps can work in the background without overwhelming your system. So yep, just a very useful and cool performance improvement. So I'll just go with 5 gigabytes, and in order for those changes to be applied or to take effect, you will need to reboot your device. And that will be it, not only for the final tip or option, but for this video in general. So thanks for watching, thanks for your attention, and bye bye.